You get a hot lead at 9 a.m., but you don't see it until 5 p.m. because it's buried in a Google Sheet. By then, they've already called your competitor. What if every lead hit your inbox the second they submitted the form? Here's how to build that with KNIME.
Quick intro. If you're new here, I'm Eric, and I work with data automation tools like KNIME. This is video 2 in my series where I'm building ReportSync and teaching automation along the way. Today, I'm walking through a practical KNIME workflow for lead generation. Even if you're not familiar with KNIME, you'll see how powerful automation can do for your business. Let's dive into the workflow. So here's the scenario. You have a Google form where you try to collect information for your business. Just an example, information and services wanted. Once their potential client hits that submit button, it'll be populated automatically onto a Google Sheet. And this is where this KNIME workflow comes into play. So what you have here is the KNIME workflow right here in the middle of the screen. This is the editor. And on the left side here is just all the nodes that you can use to build your workflow. So we'll just go from the beginning here. This is the Google Authenticator node. This is where you, for lack of a better term, just log into your Google account where your form and your sheet is located. From there, you're going to have this Google Sheets connector where you're going to select which Google Sheet you're using, and if it has multiple tabs on it, which tab you want this workflow to be looking at. And then next thing you're looking at is the reader. It's just going to read the Google Sheet with the parameters that you select. And if you look here, you're telling the reader that this is the spreadsheet we're looking at, and this is the actual sheet that we're looking at. And it brings back in what was on the sheet. So here's the 2 leads that you had. It goes forward, and this is just telling essentially what the columns are that you're going to want to include, and it's going to send an email for those 2 leads that we had. Whatever email you want. I have it just selected here to my personal, and it'll, whatever you want included, it's going to send you that information. So for example, the first name, last name, email, contact number, what they want and how they want to be contacted. So that'll come to you, and then that's pretty much it. That's how this works. How I have it set up for folks is we'll just set up a scheduler on their computer where it'll check it every hour. And if there's a new lead, it will send you an email. It's obviously up to you to contact it. And there's so much research out there showing that the quicker you can contact a lead, the better chance you have to close a sale. So this is just a simple automation built in KNIME that can help you using Google tools like Forms, Sheets, and then this KNIME workflow to possibly generate new business. And it'll run every hour. There are more advanced things you could add on to where it sends you a text, even more instant. And then within the Google Sheet, we could build a script for you that will clear out and put on another tab within the sheet anything that's already been emailed out, so you won't get duplicates. But this is just a simple example. This took me about an hour to build and has the potential to pay for itself in 1 lead. So that's a look at how KNIME, again, open source, free to download, can be used to generate business and be of value, and just a simple way that automation can lead to more business.
I hope you enjoyed this short demonstration on the power of automation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can join the waitlist for ReportSync at the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and keep checking back for updates on ReportSync, automation topics, and product tutorials.